Okay, guys. You know the jet called EasyJet, but it's a our jet. What type of aircraft is that? Our jet is easy 7393. Tapping to the runway. Thank you. FedEx. FedEx 3396. Tapping to the runway. Thank you. Being one. Rotate. No. Yeah. We don't got a birth strike. Easy 393. Making Mercy landing. We just got a birth strike. Thank you. Dolphin 5046. Taxi to the runway. Dolphin 5046. You're clear to take off. EasyJet, Easy 7393. You're clear to land. Thank you. No delay. Yeah, where's the boarding? Because too low. When you have to make a landing gear before we reach to the runway. Yeah. Chillow gear. Pull up. Chillow gear. Okay, gonna call the firefighter.
twisted and broken, icy behemoths divide the mountains. And this frozen base is where our trio starts.
Here's the end.